Yeah, that's correct, Gene, but there's also concern that some parents may not get the word because the power outage has knocked out some phones. Now, in Belmont this morning, this tree came down on a house. It was evacuated, but no one was injured. The tree also snapped a pole, leading to a power outage throughout the neighborhood. Now, down the road in Northwood, the high winds brought down a pole on Old Mountain Road, shutting down a section of Route 43. Now, despite the high winds, some crews were able to go up and start making repairs. While in Alton, over 1,000 customers were left without power after a tree came down on Halls Hill Road. Chainsaws were necessary in order to remove the tree so New Hampshire Electric Co-op could begin their work. And then around 9:30 this morning, Wolfboro went dark. This tree on Route 109A in Tuftonboro knocking out power to the town. Businesses that remained open were coping as best they could, although their business did take a hit.
It's just that everything is electrified, including our telephone. So yeah, I just feel bad. People have come in and if they've wanted something big, I'd have to turn them away because I have no way of doing it.
Now, downtown Wolfboro does look pretty normal right now, but many of those businesses are closed. Now, according to the director of operations for the town, the power should come back around 2 this afternoon. Reporting live in Wolfboro, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.